Hope you all are well. This side Prakhar Chaube. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn ServiceNow platform. Today I will cover the ServiceNow administration part, and in this I will cover the few topics. First, user creation deactivation. Second, group creation updation deactivation. Third, adding removing a user from group. Fourth, adding removing a role from user. Fifth, password reset. Sixth, one live example. And last topic, one live troubleshoot example. All this topic are really help you to enhance your skills in the ServiceNow platform. Also, you can add in your CV and explain in the front of HR. Okay, and this topic will really help you to enhance your skills. Please watch my previous video. If you didn't watch, that topic will really help you to enhance your skill as a beginner, and I already added the URL in the description box. Okay, and all this topic I will cover as a practical on my personal developer instance. So let's start the topic. First, user creation. So in the user creation, simply go to the all, just type the system security. Under system security you will get the user modules. Simply just click on the user module and you will see the new button on the top right side. Just click on that, and after this you will get the user form, and you need to fill the all mandatory detail whatever the customer provided to you. And after this, simply just click on the save button and user profile will create. How can we create the profile in the ServiceNow? I will show you in the practical way. Let's start. This time is for a practical, and this is my personal PDI. Okay, so let's start the practical point, that how we can create the user profile in the ServiceNow. Simply go to all, just type system security. Under system security you can see user module. Click on the user module. Just simply click on the create new. Now the user form is open and you need to put the user ID. I am taking one example. ServiceNow user @gmail.com. Put first name, last name, and also you need to consider the user ID should be same as a email ID. Okay, and if you need to put any information then you can put, otherwise you can skip this. Okay, so according to the user detail you need to put the all information. Okay, simply just click on the submit button, and now you can see the user profile it's created in the ServiceNow. Let's open this, and now this time we need to set the password for this user credential. Okay, so I'm putting one password, and also you need to consider the active should be checked. Okay, just click on the update button. Now the password is set for this profile. Okay, and now this time we need to share the user credential with the user. Okay, first user ID, second password, third URL. Okay, so my user creation point is completed. How we can create the user profile? Okay, so this point is completed. Now let's move to the next point. Second topic, user deactivation. How we can deactivate the user profile in the ServiceNow? Simply go to all, just type system security. Under system security you can see the user module, and just open the user module. Okay, and you can see the user table, and under the user table just you need to put the user ID which one you want to deactivate in the ServiceNow. Okay, and just open the user profile and you need to uncheck the active box. Okay, after this you need to click on the submit button. Yeah, you can save it. Okay, and after this this profile should be deactivated in the ServiceNow. So how we can do this in the practical? Let's come to the practical point. Just click on the all, just type system security. Under system security just click on user module, and which one you want to deactivate the user profile. Okay, just you need to put the user ID and click to enter. Now just open this profile and you need to just unchecked this active box, okay, and simply just you need to click on the update button. Now the user profile is deactivated and you can see active is false, okay. So this ID is deactivated in the ServiceNow. Let's move to the third point. Third point, how we can create the group in the ServiceNow, okay. First go to all, just type system security. In the system security you can see the group module. Just open the group module and you need to click on the new button, and after this you can see the group form is open, and just you need to put the all information according to the user requirement, and after this just you need to click on the save button, or we can say the submit button. After this, group is created in the ServiceNow. How we can do this? Let's come to the practical point. Simply go to all, type system security. Under system security you can see the groups module. Just open this and you can see this is a group table, okay, sys underscore user underscore group, and just you need to click the new button, and now you need to put the information according to the user requirement, okay. So I'm putting the one example. ServiceNow admin group, and we can also put the one manager. If you need to put any group ID, then you can also you put the group email, yeah, just according to the name convention, okay. So we need to put the group mail of this group. Okay, ServiceNow admin user gmail.com. If you need to put any description, just you need to put here, otherwise just click on the submit button. Now the group is created, you can see. Let's move to the fourth point. Fourth point, group updation. How we can update the group, okay. Simply go to all, just type system security, and the groups module, just you need to open the group table, and under this you need to put the group name, which one you want to update the group, okay. And after this just open the group and just you need to put the update information according to the requirement, and just click on the save, or we can say the submit button, and your group is updated in the ServiceNow. How we can do this? Let's move to the practical point. Just click on all, type system security, under system security you can see the group module. Just open this and now you can see the group table, okay. This is a record of group, and according to the group which one you want to update, just you need to put the group name, just enter. Now you can see this is a one group name, okay. So if you want to update this group name, just you open this profile of the group, okay, and if you want to update the group name, just you need to put the updation name, okay. So I'm putting the new name, user ServiceNow ITIL group, okay, and just click on the update button, and you can see, just remove this, and now you can see the group is updated in the ServiceNow, okay. This is my new group, okay. Let's move to the fifth point. Fifth point, how we can deactivate the group, okay. Just go to all, type system security, just you can see the group modules, open the group module, you can see the group record of the group table, okay, and just you need to put the group name, which one you want to deactivate the group, okay. According to this you need to just click on the active set to false from the list view on the group table, okay. So how we can do this? Let's move to the practical point. Just go to all, put system security, under this you can see group module, open this, so you can see the group table is open, this is a group record, okay. So which one you want to deactivate in the ServiceNow, just go to the active side, this is a column of active, okay, and just you need to just double click here, and you can see the one pop-up is open for a true or false, okay. Just you need to put the false and click on the tick button, and now this profile is deactivated in the ServiceNow, Okay, let's move to the sixth point. So my sixth point, how we can add or remove a user from a group in the ServiceNow. Just go to all, type system security. Under system security you can see the groups module. Just open the group module, and now you can see the group table. Okay, under the group table just you need to search the group name on the group table, click on the group record, just go to the below section that you can see the group member. Okay, and under this just click on the edit button, and after this just you can see the one form. Okay, and under this you need to put the drag from the left to right for adding and drag from right to left for removing, and just click on the save button after this. Okay, so how we can do this? Let's move to the practical point. So this time is for our practical. Sixth point, how we can add or remove a user from a group. Okay, just go to all, type system security. Under system security you need to open the group module. So you can see the group table. This is a group record. Okay, and in which group you want to add or remove a user. Okay, in the ServiceNow, just open the group profile, and under this you can see the group member section. Okay, so under the group member section you can perform the action of adding or removing a user from particular this group. Okay, just go to click on the edit button, and you can see this form, and under this if you want to add a user in this group, okay, means if you want to add a multiple user, then you can also select the user. Okay, and just click on the add button. Okay, so this for adding, and second one this for removing. Okay, so it means if you drag from left to right, this is for adding purpose, and if you want to remove a user from this group, then you need to remove from drag right to left. Okay, so this button you can see this for removing, first one for adding, and after this just click on the save button, and now you can see, just refresh it, and yes this two profile is added in this group. Okay, and if you want to remove one user from this group, just click on the edit button and just select the one profile. Okay, so which one you want to remove from this group. Okay, select the one profile and just click here to remove. Okay, it means it is drag from right to left, this is for removing. Okay, and just click on the save button, and now just click to refresh it. Okay, yes, the one profile is removed from this group. Okay, so according to this action we can add a member in this group, and we can say that we can remove a user from this group. Okay, so this action we can done according to this. Okay, let's move to the next point. Seventh point, adding and removing a role from user. Okay, so how we can do this? Just go to all, under just type the system security. Under system security you can see the group module, and under the group module just you need to open the group table. Okay, and under this just you need to search the group name on the group table, or we can say that just you need to select the filter condition and put the role is ITIL. Okay, and which one you want to add or remove a role from a user. Okay, so according to that just you need to put the role name. Okay, under the filter condition, and just click on the run button. Okay, after this you can see the group record. Okay, and under the group record just you need to click on the group record. Under this you can see the section of the role. Okay, and you can see yes, this group is providing this role. Okay, according to that, so you can just click on the edit button. Okay, after this just you need to drag from left to right for adding and drag from right to left for removing. Okay, after this just you need to click on the save button. Okay, so according to this you can add or remove a role from a user. Okay, so in this you need to also consider the one point, from which role you are looking to add or remove to a user. Okay, so according to you need to perform this action. Okay, how we can do this in the practical? Let's come to the practical point. Now this time for a practical, how we can add or remove a role from a user profile in the ServiceNow. So in this we need to consider that we are not directly assigning a role to a user directly. Okay, so at a best practice we are assigning a role to a group first. After this we are adding a member to a particular group. Okay, so in this, how we can do this, just click on all, type system security, and there see you can see the group module. Open the group module. Okay, so suppose that user requirement here is that we need a user are looking for a ITIL role. Okay, so in this user are looking for a ITIL role. So simply just under the group table, just you need to click on the filter condition, and you need to set some condition for a role, which one user are looking for. Just click the module's role is ITIL. Okay, it means user are looking for ITIL role, so we need to set the condition for ITIL role. Okay, role is ITIL. Just click to run, and now this filter condition is executed. Now this time we need to select and we need to investigate on the particular group which one are directly providing a permission of ITIL to a user. Okay, so first description we need to consider the ServiceNow ITIL role group is providing an ITIL role to a user. Okay, it means that this group are granting the access of ITIL role to a user. Okay, so just simply open this group profile. Under this you need to see this group member section. Okay, under the group member section we need to add a member to a particular this group. Okay, after this group user will get the ITIL role from this group. Okay, how? So you can see under the role section. So under the role section, so we can see that this is the ITIL role. It means that we are assigning the ITIL role to this group. Okay, not the directly to the user. Okay, so this point we need to consider. Okay, this is a standard practice in the ServiceNow. We are providing a role to a group directly. Okay, not to the user directly. Okay, so now this time we need to add a member. Okay, so just simply click on the edit button and put one member. Okay, suppose this I'm taking one example, test example. Okay, so test example, according to the user profile you need to add a member. Okay, just click to save button. Okay, now just refresh it. Yes, the test example user is added. Okay, it means this we are granting the ITIL role to this user. Okay, test example user. Okay, and if you want to remove the role from a particular user profile, so simply same you can just follow the process of that. Go to the filter condition, select the group. Okay, so from which role you are looking to remove from a particular role, from a particular profile, simply just you need to select the role. Okay, and after this click on the run button, and just you can see the filter condition of the record. Okay, and after this that you need to open the one group and simply just click on the edit button. And if you want to remove the ServiceNow user from this group, okay, it means we are removing a role of ITIL from this member. Okay, so according to this just click to refresh it. It means that we remove the ITIL role from a ServiceNow user. Okay, and now this time only one member is added in this group. Okay, so according to this we can provide a role to a user. Okay, or we can see that we can remove a role from a user profile. Okay, so now let's move to the next point. Now my 8th point, password reset. Okay, so how we can reset the password of a user profile. Okay, simply go to all, just type the system security. Under system security you can see the user module. Just open the user module table. Okay, and you need to search the username on a user table. Okay, and click on to open off on user profile. Okay, simply you need to click the user profile, open to the user profile, go to the password field and set the password. Okay, and just click on the save button. After this, share the user below credential one-to-one via mail or any communication channel. Okay, with the user, first user ID, second user password, third URL. Okay, so according to this step we can set or we can reset the password of particular profile. Okay, So how we can do this in the practical way? Just move to the practical point. Now this time for a practical, so how we can reset the password of user profile? Okay, simply go to all, just type system security. Under system security you can see the user model. Just open the user model, so you can see this is a record of user. Okay, this is a user table. Okay, so according to the user request, so which one you want to reset the password of user profile, so according to that you need to just copy the user ID and just put here in the column of user ID. Okay, and just click to enter it. And now you need to open the user profile, and here this is, you can see this is a field of password. Okay, so in this you need to set the new password according to the user request. Okay, just I'm putting the new password with the user. Okay, and just click to the save button, or we can set that update button. Okay, now the password is reset for this profile. Okay, after this simply just we need to share the credential with the user. Okay, first one is user ID, second new password which one you have set it for this profile, and second URL. Okay, after this user can able to access with the new credential of password. Okay, now let's move to the next point. Now this time for a one live example, I am taking a one live example. Okay, so in this, customer raise an SR for creation of user ID and need IT role. Okay, and we need to consider the below information according to the requirement. First, user ID ServiceNow manager @gmail.com, first name ServiceNow, last name manager Prakhar Chaube, email ID ServiceNow manager @gmail.com. This should be same as the user ID. Okay, and last, grant ITL role to this user. Okay, according to this requirement we need to create and provide the ITL role. Okay, so this is, so according to this, customer raise an SR, it means customer raise a service request for adding a role and creating the one user ID. Okay, so let's move to the practical point, how we can create and grant the ITL role to this user. Okay, now this time for a practical, so just let's start the one live example. According to the user requirement we need to perform the action. Okay, simply go to all, just type system security, under the system security we need to open the user module, because first requirement here is that create the one user ID. Okay, so according to that we need to open the user table. Okay, and just click on the new button, and according to the user information we need to put the all detail in this form. Okay, first put the user ID, same put as a email ID, because user ID and email ID should be same. Okay, and now you need to put the first name is a ServiceNow, last name manager. Okay, and any information is missing? No, just put the, okay, so first of all we need to create the ID. Okay, just create the one ID. Now the profile is created, you can see here ServiceNow manager, just simply click to open the new profile, and now you can see the all information is completed according to the requirement. And here you can see that one manager field is not available, so in this we do not require to put the manager detail. Okay, so we can escape this point. Okay, and now the profile is created, so this time for a password set. Okay, so we are assigning the one password to this profile. Okay, so I'm putting the one password to this user, click to update button, and now the password is set for this user, and you can see yes, the password is set and the profile is created. Okay, now my second point, we need to provide the ITL role for this profile. Okay, so how we can grant the ITL role to this profile? Just go to all, under the group table. Okay, so open the group profile. So first of all we need to consider the filter condition. Okay, so I'm taking one filter condition, role is ITL, because user is looking for ITL access. Okay, so I'm putting the ITL, just click to run. Now you can see the ServiceNow ITL role is group is available, and the description here, this ServiceNow IT role group is providing an IT role to user. Okay, so simply just open this, and now under the group member section, just you need to click to edit button. So if you are looking to add a member in this group, simply put here the name. Okay, ServiceNow manager. Just click to drag from left to right for adding. Okay, and click to save button. Yes, the profile is saved in this group. Okay, it means user are added in this group. Okay, so if you open this profile, then you can see the role is added here. Okay, and the group is showing. Okay, for this profile, under the group section you can see the group name. Okay, and also you can see the role name. Okay, so all this role is coming from the ITIL. Okay, because all this role is inherited of ITIL. Okay, so inherited is true. You can see inherited is true for this. Okay, so if you are providing the ITIL role, it means all the role is already granted. It means all role is added in this profile. Okay, all role automatically added in this profile because this all role are inherited from the ITIL role. Okay, so according to this we have completed the service request according to the user requirement. Okay, first we create the one user ID according to the information, and second we grant the ITIL role to this profile. Okay, so my SR is completed, my service request is completed. Okay, let's move to the next point. Now this time for a one live troubleshoot example. So I'm taking a one scenario here. One user created the incident and the description is user Rajiv Kumar is unable to view the incident record. Okay, in the ServiceNow. So how we can resolve this issue? Let me show you in the practical way, and I'm trying to explain this issue in a simple way. This time for a practical, this time trying to show you the one live troubleshoot example with the help of one scenario. So I'm taking a scenario here is that one user created the one incident. Okay, and the description here, user Rajiv Kumar is unable to view the incident record. Okay, and also they are unable to create the incident. Okay, so how we can resolve this issue? Let's move to the point. First of all, we need to impersonate the affected user profile. Okay, because just I'm trying to finding the exact issue with the help of impersonation. Okay, so just click on the top right side on the profile and you can see the impersonate user. Just click here, and now if you want to search the user profile, then you can also search here in the description box. Otherwise you can just select the profile. Okay, so I'm just looking into this. Yes, the profile is showing in the below side, so I'm selecting the one profile Rajiv Kumar and click on the impersonate user. Okay, according to this I jumped in this profile. Okay, affected user profile. Okay, now this time I am accessing the affected user profile. Okay, so just I'm trying to finding the exact issue. Okay, so according to the incident scenario, this user unable to view the incident record and unable to create the incident. Okay, so let me finding this issue. Okay, just I'm trying to create the incident. Okay, and now I'm typing the create, but there is no module it's showing in this. Okay, it means user exactly facing the incident creation issue. Okay, and also user exactly facing the unable to view the incident record. Okay, and also just I'm tapping the incident, and now you can see the one incident module it's showing, but the rest form it's not showing. Okay, it means the rest module it's not showing for creating, viewing and resolve and other modules. Okay, it means exactly user facing this issue. Okay, so my finding is completed. Okay, and now I'm trying to impersonate with this profile, and now I'm in the ServiceNow admin profile. Okay, so this is my profile, and now I'm trying to resolve the user issue. So just I'm tapping the system security. Under system security you can see the user profile. Just open the user profile with the help of user table. So affected user is Rajiv Kumar. I'm open the Rajiv Kumar profile. Okay, under this you can see there is no role in this profile. Okay, and there is no group in this profile. Okay, so it means that we need to providing the service type permission type group to this profile. Okay, Simply just click on the edit button and just type the group name. Okay, ServiceNow ITIL, because I already aware about that ITIL role will be grant via this group. Okay, just click select here from left to right. Okay, and click to save button, and now just refresh it, and now you can see the one group is added in this profile, and also you can see the number of role it's added. Okay, so you can see the ITIL role. Okay, and all the role are inherited from the ITIL role. Okay, so according to this we have granted the ITIL role to this user. Okay, so I hope this issue has been resolved for this affected user. And how we can recognize this, just try to impersonate again with this user, and let me show you that this issue has been resolved or not now. Okay, so now I am in the Rajiv Kumar profile and just try to again typing the create. Okay, now you can see the incident form is showing. Okay, it means user are able to create the incident record now. Okay, it means the issue has been resolved now. Okay, and again if I'm typing the incident module, and now you can see the number of most of the modules are showing here in this incident. Okay, so create new, assign to, open unassign, resolve all. Okay, so all these modules are available, and all these modules are showing in this profile. Okay, it means this issue has been resolved now. Okay, so my last point is completed. Now my all point is completed. I hope you all guys enjoyed and learned lots of things from my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comments. Please support and motivate me to upload more video. Thank you. Have a great day.